Unscrew the machine screw securing the landing gear wheels first. Remove the wheel lock. Install the tires. Put on the wheel lock. Then tighten the screws again. Follow the same steps on the other side. The wheels for the landing gear are now assembled. Then we install the landing gear on the fuselage. Pay attention to the orientation of the locking mechanism for the support frame relative to the machine head. Next, install the landing gear and the fixed support frame of the fuselage. Simply secure it using 4 sets of screws. We use Y-line to connect the rudder lines of the wings. To connect the rudder lines, place the servo wires inside the battery compartment. Then align the ailerons with the slots in the fuselage and press it flat. The wings and the fuselage are secured using 4 screws. Apply glue to the simulation windshield. There is a difference in width between the edges of the 2 windshields. We stick the narrow one on the back. Glue the other one and stick it in front. First, securely fasten each of the 2 support frames using screws. Be sure to determine the direction before installing. Next, align and position the upper wing. We use screws to fix the wire labeled number 1, to fix the steel wire here. Use screws to secure the steel wire with number 2. Follow the same steps on the other side. Fix the upper wing end and the support between the upper and lower wings. Assemble the fin and vertical stabilizer according to this slot and hole pattern. Then place the lever onto it. Install the combination parts of the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer onto the aircraft body. Secure it with 2 screws. Then fix the tail wheel rubber part to the fuselage. Now fix the stabilizer and fuselage support frame with screws. Position the rudder angle according to the slot. Secure with screws. Now, let's take a look at the position of the chuck. Adjust it to the appropriate length. Connect the clamp head and rudder angle properly. Position the horizontal rudder angle accordingly. Fix it with screws. Adjust the position of the lever clamp. Fix the clamp head and rudder. Let's first remove the nuts and gaskets from the seat of the oars. Then, use 4 hexagonal screws to secure the paddle mount and motor. We must tighten these for screws. Install the fairing base sequentially. Propeller, shim, nut, put on the fairing. Tighten the screws to fix. Just stick it according to the instructions. The entire plane is assembled here. Next, I'll demonstrate the wiring using the MISR 66A for everyone. Open the cockpit first, and then untie our wires. Channel 1 connects to the aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to the elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to the throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to the directional cable. In this way, all our wires are connected. Secure the receiver in a fixed position within the aircraft's body. Connect the battery and power on. Align the frequency and press the bind button for 2 seconds. The green light remains lit indefinitely, indicating that the frequency has been completed. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring testing of the entire aircraft is now complete.